Hey, good morning, JK fam.
What's up?
What's
We are up making breakfast.
Breakfast. Breakfast.
We are up. It is 11:30 something in the morning, and we're just now getting. Well, we woke up earlier, but my mom was over trying to help us prepare for this Hurricane Irma.
Irma. Hurricane Irma.
Oh my God, I'm so mad because last night we recorded some footage and we wanted to post it and it wouldn't upload.
You guys would have loved it. Y'all would have.
So we had to get up and make another one for y'all this morning. We were basically talking about Hurricane Irma. I don't know if everyone else knows, but Hurricane Irma is supposed to be on her way to Miami. And I'm scared as hell.
She brought the whole squad with her, boy.
She brought Jose, Katia, she brought everybody.
She brought 4 niggas like Jose.
Oh, please. But I am super scared. I've never been scared of a hurricane before. And I am scared for this one because
I still ain't scared.
This one seems really, really serious. Like back in the 90s when Andrew hit. So I'm kind of scared for that.
This is almost ready.
Let me taste it.
I think it is ready.
Let me taste it.
Tastes so good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's tough.
That sausage is really good. Y'all say hi to my brother. Excuse our mess, but that's all of some of our hurricane supplies. We're all gonna pack up and go over to my mom's, and we're gonna stay a few nights over there because I believe it's safer. Because we stay in a house and we're just out here alone. But yeah, we just been keeping track of this hurricane, trying to make sure we have all the right things that we need for this. This is really, really, really supposed to be like a category 5 or 6 or something like that, and it already hit like the Caribbean islands, and it did some damage. So I am so scared. Jose's not scared. I mean Zeke isn't scared.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared, baby?
No. What the hell?
Look at this food that he
Got some egg, sausage, and some ham. I wish we had bacon though, cause we missing bacon.
That's too much meat.
So
we need some grits or something. Oh, you know what? I want to make some oatmeal.
Damn, you trying to do that too? Come on.
Let's go all out. We already doing it.
I know. I made everything. Okay, come on.
Okay, Dalvin. We gotta record us. Okay, yeah. I'm about to make. They love when I make oatmeal. She put some peanut butter in that shit.
That's the secret ingredient. Oh, it's not a secret anymore, but okay.
You done told the world my secret. I'm pretty sure there's other people that put peanut butter in their oatmeal.
We got biscuits in the oven. We might as well make oatmeal. We finna be full. That's what I'm talking about. It's the first time I eat before going to work, guys.
That's a lie.
She do not cook for me. In the mornings. In the mornings.
No.
In the mornings.
Listen, he's just happy that I'm back because he was about to die without me here. You miss me? Your ears are dirty.
Something like that. And then clean them for me.
You gotta have your time with the fam.
I'm your pet boyfriend.
What?
You're supposed to take care of me, like pick my boogers.
Listen.
All right.
JK fam, he always has boogers. He has boogers in his nose all the time, and I always have to be in his face like a little monkey picking shit.
Suck on my butt. Go make that oatmeal.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Don't bore my family.
Hi guys. So, all right. This doesn't really... See, look, stuff like this makes me not want to go to work. You see how it looks? What is that? Where are you going? What are you? Are you Irma or any of the 3 storms that are supposed to be here? Like, this is why I don't want to go to work. I know my job's gonna be like really crazy and stuff, so I'm definitely not looking forward to it. Excuse me, I'm still sick, so yeah, I'm still sick. That's why I sound like this, but yeah, this is no. This is why I don't want to go. This is why I don't want to go to work, but I have to go because I have to make that money. I'm back in the kitchen.
What y'all was talking about?
It wasn't that serious.
I just want to know.
I just want to know.
I'm nosy.
I just want to know.
My hair is crazy. Stop.
Show you our food one more time. Black Forest ham. I don't know what kind of sausage this is, and
It's like some type of turkey sausage or something.
those are eggs.
My grandma bought that.
And now she's gonna make oatmeal. Some oatmeal. But yeah, we just here. Take you guys through our life, our everyday life. But yeah, we made a really good video last night when they got to upload it. It was really good. You guys would have loved it, but it didn't load. So for right now, we're doing everything on our phones because we're trying to invest in a camera as soon as possible. So y'all should stay tuned for that because, well, after this hurricane business is over, we can like, not trying to spend any money right now because we have to get stuff for the storm. So yeah.
Nothing will happen. Only thing is probably
Just wearing my shorts. I don't know why you girls think it's okay to wear y'all
Because
niggas
none
clothes.
of your... Listen, when you're in a relationship, nothing is ever yours. It's
So that shirt
always-
mine too.
You take the Y out.
So that
it's
shirt is
always
mine.
ours.
So that shirt is
No,
mine.
you can't wear this. See,
Yes,
that's-
I can.
No, you can't.
Around the house.
No.
Not
That's
out in.
You're a faggot.
Shut up. Like, shut up.
Nothing is ever yours. It's ours. Sometimes that sucks.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just kidding. It does though, seriously. This is my baby, guys. I love him.
Literally.
I love him.
I want to ask you guys a question. If you guys want to take a good guess of who's how old, ages as far as us individually, it doesn't matter. Just
How
Yeah,
old do you
just
think I am, and how old do you think he is?
I am. This should be very interesting.
Comment your answers down below. We want to hear it.
We want to hear from you.
And we're not going to give you an answer until maybe, I don't even know when, but...
Till maybe...
No, we're not going to give them a time. We're just going to surprise them with... No, when we do our introduction video, because we still haven't really told them who we are and where we come from and all that stuff yet. So
Now,
maybe
the
we'll
only
do it
reason
then.
we're going to just tell you guys if someone guesses it right. And if nobody guesses it right, then you guys will never know because that's it. And we're going to add the person, whoever guesses it right. So, yeah, but till then, I want to make another vlog before I go to work, but till later. Alright, so
Bye, JK fam. love
Comment,
you.
subscribe, drop your comments below.
Give us some likes.
Thumbs up. Yeah.
See you later.